Hello for everyone, I'm Mohammed Qorish and I'm gonna tell you some information about the human brain. If you're interested, please continue watching this video and let's begin our new video. The brain is the most complex organ in the human body. As the nervous system, the brain coordinates all of the human body function. In adult human, the brain is 3 pounds, gelatinous mass of fat and protein. And the brain comprised of 4 main regions: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, the brainstem, and the Diencephalon. And each one of these control specific tasks. The largest section in the brain is the cerebrum, and it makes up over 3/4 of brain volume. It consists of neurons and nervous fiber that transmit information from neuron through the brain and the body.
The cerebrum controls higher functions such as learning, reasoning, and speech, plus senses like hearing and sight.
Under the cerebrum, there is the second largest part of the brain, it's the cerebellum. Much like cerebrum, the cerebellum has nervous cells and nervous fiber. It carries signal to the other part of the brain and the spinal cord.
The cerebellum is responsible for coordinating muscle movements, particularly those that help maintain the body's balance and posture.
The third region in the brain is the brainstem. It lies in front of the cerebellum and it anchors the brain with the spinal cord. The brainstem is a collection of structures
that include the pons, a mass of nerve fibers that carry sensory information.
The midbrain,
A region of fiber and structures that help control movements, along with auditory and visual processing. And the medulla oblongata, which create motor and sensory pathway between the midbrain, the pons, and the spinal cord. All of them control vital bodily function such as cardiac activity, respiration, digestion, and sleep.
The fourth region in the brain is located above the brainstem and it makes up the core of the brain. We called it the Diencephalon. About the size of an apricot, the Diencephalon is a grouping of several structures. The thalamus, which process and transmit information from all senses except smell. And the hypothalamus and pituitary gland, which work together to produce and regulate neurochemical.
Those structures help govern sensation, weight regulation, energy, and intellectual behaviors such as eating, drinking, and other.
The brain, 4 main components: the diencephalon, the brainstem, the cerebellum, and the cerebrum, work in sync to ensure that your bodily functions are fully operational.